Good morning, lovely fourth graders. Today, I want to teach you about perimeter. Yesterday, we learned about area. Area is the number of square units needed to cover a surface. However, perimeter is the distance around a shape. So in this case, it says, find the perimeter of the square. We can find the perimeter by simply adding all of the side lengths. In the case of this square, they gave us one side length. But if you remember, in a square, all the sides are equal. So therefore, this would be 13 centimeters. This would be 13 centimeters. And this would also be 13 centimeters. So now that I have all my sides, all I have to do now is add them up. So 13 plus 13 plus 13 plus 13. And if I add them up, 13 plus 13 is 26, plus 13 plus 13 is 26. So 26 plus 26, 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. We group the 1. 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5, 52. A shorter way to do this would be for me to multiply 13 times 4. And the reason why I'm doing that is because there are 4 sides, and all 4 sides are 13 centimeters. So I'm able to multiply 13 times 4, which would still give me the same as 52. 3 times 4 is 12. We group the 1. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 1 is 552. So the perimeter for this shape is equal to 52 centimeters. Let's try a couple more. Remember, perimeter is the distance around a shape. So when finding the perimeter of a shape, I add all of the different measurements around the shape. So in a rectangle, it's different from a square because we have sides that are different lengths. So if this is 17 feet, this one is going to be 17 feet. But this one is not going to be 17 feet because remember, a rectangle has 2 sides that are the same length and 2 opposite sides are also the same length. So if this is 7 feet, that means that this is also 7 feet. So now all I have to do is add all of this together. So 17 plus 17 plus 7 plus 7. And they're all feet. So 17 plus 17 is 34. Plus 7 plus 7 is 14. 34 plus 14. 4 plus 4 is 8. 3 plus 1 is 4. So the perimeter of this rectangle would be 48 feet. That would be the perimeter. Let's try one with an equilateral triangle. So if you remember, equilateral means all the sides are the same length. So if this is 2 centimeters, that means that this is 2 centimeters. And then this means this is also 2 centimeters. So if you remember, perimeter is the distance around the shape, and all I have to do is add all the different side lengths. So this would be 2 plus 2 plus 2, which would equal 6. So the perimeter for this equilateral triangle would be 6 centimeters. Hope this helps. Remember, the perimeter is the distance around a shape, and when you find the perimeter, you add all the sides to find the perimeter. Have a great day.